Pilipinas ang pinag-uusapan, bansa ko, lupa ko. Ano ako? Lilitawan ko si Rizal at Bonifacio sa akin. Dugo ng mandirigma yan. Lupa ko ito eh. Dito ako pinanganak. Dito ako lupang sila. Loyal ako from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Ang lupang yan, ipagtatanggol ko yan. You have to have a cause, a rightful cause, a noble cause. And to become a good leader, you have to have a good cause. Not yourself. True leaders are selfless. They're not selfish. They are selfless for that cause that will profit everyone, that will benefit the humanity as a whole. They can contribute good as a whole in the environment, in the economics, in the spiritual first of all, and in good relationships with the communities around them. Ganun ang mission natin sa lupang ito.